What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. And this is the Mi-Stery Box Xiaomi Friday edition. Now it's bigger and it's heavier. What could this be? Let's find out. Let's go. I'm super excited to see what's inside this box. Any guesses, baby? Okay, it's time to open it. Okay, let's open. Let's open this. Dun, 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 dun. Right. Ooh. So we have some protective foam. Let's get that out of the way. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So what could be the first one? Alright, so we have the Mi Fan Festival shopping bag. Okay. And what's the next one? Okay, so celebrate the holidays with me. So a big Christmas bag equals a big present. So I hope that's what's inside in here. Okay, so some of that thing. Okay, I feel a big box. Since it's a big box, let's see. Oh, wow, this is a Xiaomi 11T series cinematic. So we're gonna explore this later. Let's see what is this cinematic box. It's super huge. It's not that heavy, but it's huge. But we're gonna find that later. All right, what's next? Okay, I can feel a bubble wrap. Wow, let's see. It's a Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE. This is the latest version of the Xiaomi 11 Lite, or after the Mi 11 Lite. So it is an enhanced new edition, which is a super great phone, which we'll be exploring later. Okay, so next, I can feel that it is a big box, and there's also a small box. Let's get the big box first. Ha ha ha! Look at that! Xiaomi Pad 5. I've been looking for this. I am trying to purchase this online, but because the stocks went out, or the selling stock actually went out super fast, because this is very, very popular in the Xiaomi store UK online. And now I have it in my hands. I can't wait to play with it. Okay, let's see what's the small one. Okay, and of course we have the Xiaomi Smart Pen that goes with the Xiaomi Pad 5. You know what? I can't wait to unbox them. So let's do that now. And as you can see, we have so many presents. And as I mentioned earlier, big Christmas bag is, or means that we have big, huge presents, but I cannot even fit all of them inside this Christmas bag. But so much for that. Let's start with this very first box that we're going to check out, which is the Xiaomi 11T series cinematic. And I have my Xiaomi 11T Pro for us to check out what are the accessories we can find inside this cinematic. Okay, let's start opening it. Wow, that's a cool box. Okay, so we can pull it out. Oh, seems it's stuck. Okay, alright, so I can see that there is a box inside. Let's see what we have. Okay, so, well, we can see that there is a selfie stick, but not just an ordinary selfie stick, but it has a tripod. Okay, so it has a tripod and also a remote. So this will be your remote shutter. So you have to pair this on your phone, and yep, you can extend this. You can extend a selfie stick. Okay, I remember having this before, but this is a longer version compared to that. So as you can see, it is pretty long, and you can also use this as a tripod. Let's see if, okay, so you can use it as a tripod, so you can stand, make it a stand, and you don't have to ask a stranger to take a photo for you. You just have to put in your phone attached to this phone holder and then use the shutter to take a picture. So look at that, it is very convenient. This is one of the Xiaomi product that I use when I travel. Especially you can use it as a selfie stick and also a remote shutter that comes with it. Okay, so next we have a Mi logo pin. You can probably attach it on your jacket. Alright, so, and we have another box. Okay, seems that there's something in it. Okay, it is a phone case. This is the Xiaomi 11T Cinematic Special Edition case. It shows, or it says here, something wonderful is about to happen, and it's designed by Xiaomi. I believe this would fit on my Xiaomi 11T Pro. Let's see. Okay, look at that. It fits perfectly on the Xiaomi 11T Pro. It is pretty good. Yeah, it is a pretty good fit. And it feels good as well because it is a rubber feeling and it's a hard case. Okay, so this is a pretty good accessory for you to travel with, and you can lock in that, or even if you use it to watch videos maybe. So you can do that as well. So look at that. So you can have a selfie. Okay, let's check out our next present, which is the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE. NE stands for New Edition. The first edition that came out was actually a Mi 11 Lite, and this is a new edition. You know, it puzzles me how they fit that great specs into this phone. It's super light and it's super thin. And also it comes with this very vibrant back, anti-fingerprint, which is super amazing. I'm quite excited to know what are your thoughts on this phone. So make sure you check out my channel in the description below, so I'll be doing a full review of this phone. Alright, so now we'll move into my favorite product that I got today, which is this Xiaomi Pad 5. I would say I'm very lucky to have this. This is a very popular product. It sold out instantly the moment they released this here in the UK. Now check online, it is available, so make sure you check out and make your purchase right away before it runs out. And also it does come with the stylus, or the Xiaomi Smart Pen, which is a very good companion to this Xiaomi Pad 5. Well, this is super amazing. I love the Xiaomi Pad 5. I love its performance, its build quality, its design, the screen size, the sound quality, and well, of course, its stylus, or its Xiaomi Smart Pen. It gives you a lot of options, shortcuts that you can use or do using the Xiaomi Smart Pen. And well, of course, it's very convenient because it just sticks to the side, it charges the Xiaomi Smart Pen, and you're good to go. And also, I've noticed that once it's full, it just cuts off the power, or it also won't be continuously charging or draining your Xiaomi Pad 5, which is a real good technology. It cuts the charging if it detects that you haven't been using the pen for a while. So let me know also what you think of this Xiaomi Pad 5 and also this Xiaomi Smart Pen. Leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll be doing a full review of this Xiaomi Pad 5 on my channel, so you can check the link in the description below. That's it for today's Mystery Box Xiaomi Friday edition. Make sure you check the deals that they're having right now on the Mi.com website or online Mi store. So do check it out before it runs out. This has been Christian from All About Me, and I'll see you on the next Mystery Box.